I've driven this car once, actually twice actually, from the transporter to my house. Unfortunately, I didn't have a temporary tag. The dealer forgot to put that on the vehicle, so they were able to send me a new tag. But then working and stuff, I said, you know what, I'm gonna wait because I have a little bit of fuel left in the tank, and I'm hoping that it's 93 octane. And I want to see what this X5M will do with 93 octane before I switch over to California fuel. Get kind of a baseline. I think I drove it again to the shop, which I didn't get me. It was a surface street, so I didn't get a chance to really do any. I didn't do any acceleration runs. But it was to get the roof rails wrapped in black. So this is going to be the first time I'll wait till it warms up. I'm going to take my time, and we're going to just put everything in Sport Plus. I'm not sure if we'll do launch control. I may just wait for launch control, and then we'll see what it does. First impressions, though, it drives just like my 50i used to, as far as the sound of the engines. It just, you can hear a little bit of different tone from the exhaust, but just moving around town, it has that that same kind of sound. I mean, like I said, I would almost be fooled in a sense to think it would be a 50i because it is the same engine at low RPMs. Now, as you start to tip into the throttle a little more, I could hear the tone change, and I could start hearing the different sound where my 50i would sound like a traditional V8, you know, like you would expect, and just the M's just have a different sound to it, that they almost like they remove the V8 growl from the vehicle. So let me connect to my Dragy, and because I think we're almost at temp right now, and I'm going to do an acceleration run. I just get the window stand it. My buddy's meeting me there to pick me up, since I can't wait in the waiting room. But I got coffee here, so I'm hoping I don't spill the coffee if I do. That's what I'm kind of worried about doing launches right now. So let's connect to Dragy right now and get it all connected, ready to go. I'm being passed. It's okay. Sport Plus, shift 3, and here we go. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you, that actually, it's different than the 50i. I felt like it put you back in the seat just like it did, but my 50i, when it was tuned, you would mash the throttle. Oh, a skunk. I gotta put it recirculate real quick. Hold on. When it was tuned, I had to I mash it, and there was a 2-second delay before it would hit me full power, and it would go. Mash it and go. it seems like it's more designed. It seems like it's designed to pull. It sounds like this feels more built for the speed. Now, I've noticed the times aren't there with the 50i as far as the acceleration time. I looked at the video and verified, but I was looking at 4.6. I think I was getting 4.3, 4.4 with the tuned engine. Am I disappointed? No, I was kind of thinking this car would be around the 4.3, but like I said, I haven't been able to get launch control properly done. Obviously that 50i with launch control, that was what it was doing. So I can't fault the car for not giving me the proper times if I'm not going to use launch control. I'll need more seat time with it. I'm going to drive it around a little more. I'll probably do maybe a month or two later. I'll go ahead and explore launch control. I said I don't want to break anything either. Maybe the car wasn't poorly warmed up, but the throttle response is noticeably faster. I'm getting really good times just from mashing the throttle alone. So we'll see. I think my 50i, which smashed the throttle, was like 4.9, 4.8. With the tune engine, I think without the tune, I was 5, mid 5s. You know, it was different. That was 0 to 60, 4.2. Quarter mile, 12.5 again. Let's look at that. 12.5 at 112 miles an hour. All right, now we're gonna do a little on-ramp fun. So let's see how it merges on the highway.
All right, let's see what this thing can do.
Leave everything in comfort, efficient. From the wheels, I think it's the car been sitting for so long, flat spotted. The ride quality, and I'm not sure if the mic can pick this up or not, but the ride quality is firm. And I'm in the comfort suspension right now. The comfort suspension even feels a little firmer than what it was with my 50i in Sport. I'm not sure if Lex is gonna like it. I'm thinking that she's gonna think it's too rough. We'll see. It rides rough.